clearance check should be run before you isolate your board. You run clearance check to determine what the closest pad-to-pad, trace-to-trace, and pad-to-trace feature is in your Gerber file. Once you know the minimum distance clearance, you can choose the tool diameter to use to mill around all the pads and traces. If someone other than yourself designed the board, then you won't know the minimum clearance until you run clearance check. Under the Layers list on the left side of the screen, put the layers you want to test in edit mode. This is done by clicking the layer 3 times and stopping on Edit. Go to Tools, Clearance Check. In the Clearance Check menu, select Suggest. This will return the closest space on your board. On the 274x.sol and 274x.gbr layer, the closest space is 13.5 mils. You should choose a 13, 12, 11, or 10 mil tool to isolate with, depending on the tools you have in your tool pods. If you put a larger dimension like 14 mils in the distance box and hit Test, it will select the traces on the screen that are closer to 13.5 mils. Then you can go to View, Zoom, and Zoom Selected, and the screen will show you the location on your board that is closer than 14 mils. If it's just 1 or 2 spots on your board, you may decide to edit your CAD file and re-output your Gerber data to make the board fabrication more reliable in production. It's just that simple.